Let's talk about a few ways to troubleshoot your battery pack if you're having issues with the lights. First of all, when you're troubleshooting, always use the battery pack button at first to troubleshoot. This will help determine if the problem is with the battery pack or the remote. Check to make sure the light on the battery pack button is illuminated after pressing on. If not illuminating even after pressing it firmly, then check the caps to see if they've been cross-threaded. As mentioned earlier, the most common issue is caps that have been threaded on crooked and have a slight gap. If caps look good, double check the batteries to make sure they've been installed correctly and are fresh. If the light on the battery pack button is illuminated but the light sets won't light, check the connection between the battery pack and the lights set. Wiggle it to see if the lights flicker on and off. You may also want to unscrew the cap. Check the pins, screw it back in, replace the cap, make sure it's tight, wiggle it again. If there's any wiggling or if the lights flicker at all, then you may have a connection problem. Try to tighten it as best you can, and if you still have problems, contact our customer support. If the battery pack seems to be working correctly, then perhaps the problem is with the remote. Make sure the batteries are fresh and installed correctly, and the light illuminates when pushing buttons. If the remote appears to be fine but is still not working, it may have changed to a different frequency. Follow the instructions later in this video to reset the remote frequency so that it might be compatible with your battery pack again. After you've tried all of these troubleshooting tips and you're still having issues, please contact our customer support. We're happy to send you a replacement remote and battery pack so you can get up and running quickly and easily.